In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram story quality. So if you want to actually fix that, or if you want to upload higher resolution of your image, what you can do is you can head over right here to your profile icon in the bottom. And then from in there, click on the three lines that you can see on your profile screen. Once you click on that, as you can see, there's a lot of settings. So what you can do is you can head over and click on the search right here and search in here for data. You can see in here this data usage and media quality. Now head over and click on that. And you can see in here this data saver. Make sure that this data saver right here is turned up and gray just like this. And you can see in here this media upload quality. Make sure that you upload at the highest quality, so head over and turn this on. Then once you have turned this on, this will always upload at the highest quality photos of videos. Not just on your story, but also on your reels, on your posts, or anything that is actually head over and then have Instagram. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because that's reach more people. See you soon.